Hello everyone, welcome to our next session. Friends, today we are going to discuss about different MCQs on pharmaceuticals. Myself Ambori Sandeep, working as an assistant professor in DK Patil Institute of Pharmacy, Loha Nanded. Question number 1. The dash dash Samhita includes reference to drugs of animals, plants and mineral origin used until the 1st century AD. Options are Ebers, Charaka, Hippocrates and Sushruta. Can you guess the correct option? C. Charaka Samhita includes the reference to different animal, plant and mineral origin drugs. Moving to the next question. Who is the father of medicine? Options are Ebers, Hippocrates, Egyptian and Pondus. And the correct answer is Hippocrates. Hippocrates is the father of medicine. Use the formulations made up of numerous plants referred as calanicals, parenterals, plant vehicles, and D. generics. We have to find out use of formulations in which numerous plant originated drugs are prepared or formulations are prepared. And the correct answer is galanicals. Moving to the next question. The first pharmacy shop was opened in option A. London, B. Baghdad, C. Bangalore, and D. Damascus. And the correct answer is Baghdad. First pharmacy was opened in Baghdad. Next question. The first edition of IP was published in, that is Indian Pharmacopoeia. First edition was published in, options are 1965, 1975, 1955, and 1985. Can you guess the correct answer? The correct answer is 1955. Moving to the next question. The second edition of IP was published in 1955, 1966, 1985, and 1990. And the correct answer is 1966. The third edition of IP was published in 1985, 1990, 1996, 1975. Next question. The answer is 1985. Fourth edition of IP was published in 1985, 1990, 1960, and 1996. The correct answer is 1996. The chairman of first edition of IP, that is Indian Pharmacopoeia, was Dr. B.N. Ghosh, Dr. B. Mukherjee, Dr. Nityanand, Mr. Prasanna Tota. Can you guess the correct option? Answer is Dr. B.N. Ghosh. The first Pharmacy Act came in force in, options are A. 1947, B. 1948, C. 1949, and D. 1950. The Pharmacy Act came in force in 1948. 1948 is the correct option. Pharmacy Council of India, that is PCA, was established in, first formed in, options are 1947, 1948, 1949, 1950. The correct answer is 1949. PCA was established in 1949. Moving to the next question. What is USP? Option A, the United States Pharmacology, B, the United States Pharmacy, C, United States Pharmacopoeia, D, the United States Pharmaceuticals. Just like IP, Indian Pharmacopoeia, USP stands for United States Pharmacopoeia. Moving to the next question. The first US pharmacopoeia was published in 1820, 1822, 1823, 1821. First USP was published in 1820. First national formulary was published in 1860, 1885, 1888, 1890. Can you guess the correct option? And the correct answer is 1888. First national formulary was published in 1888. Moving to the next question. Supplement to the first edition of IP was published in. Means first edition was published in 1955, and we have to find out supplement of that first edition. Options are 1960, 1975, 1965, 1968. And the correct answer is 1960. Means in 1955, first edition of IP was published, and in 5 years, supplement of that first edition was published in 1960. Supplement of second edition was added in. Options are A, 1960, B, 1975, C, 1965, D, 1968. The correct option is 1975. Next question. The drugs converted to suitable form are known as. When crude drugs are converted into suitable form are known as. Options are excipient, B, source of drug, C, dosage form, and D, API. This API stands for active pharmaceutical ingredient. And when drugs converted to suitable form are known as. Correct answer is dosage form. D. What is full form of MDI? Options are A, metered dose inhaler, B, metered dose inhalation, C, metered drug ingestion, D, metered drug infusion. Can you guess the correct answer? Correct answer is metered dose inhaler. Next question. Every dosage form in a combination of drug and different kind of non-drug components called additives, non-additives, new chemical entity, all of these. We have to find out different kind of non-drug components. What is the synonym for that non-drug component? The correct answer is additives. Additives or excipients. Moving to the next question. Simple syrup is saturated solution of fructose, sucrose, dextrose, none of these. When we are going to prepare a simple syrup, it will be saturated solution of this, and the correct option is sucrose. In purified water, the concentration of sugar according IP is 67% weight by weight, 66.7% weight by weight, 77% weight by weight, 65% weight by weight. When we are going to prepare a simple syrup in purified water, how much concentration of sugar is used? And the correct option is 66.7% weight by weight. See, this unit is important, weight by weight. Next question. The swatulation process is well suited for mixing of which of the following powders? Hygroscopic, volatile, eutectic, and effervescent. And the correct answer is eutectic. Swatulation process is well suited for eutectic type of mixture. See, these eutectic type of mixtures have ability to get a decrease in melting point when these are mixed with another type of eutectic component. Which of the following is a eutectic substance? menthol, thymol, camphor, and all of these. And the correct answer is all of these. See, all there is menthol, thymol, and camphor. When these are added or mixed with each other in appropriate composition or proportion, at that time, their individual melting point will be reduced so that it will get converted from solid to liquid. And these preparations or these component substances are called as eutectic substances. Moving to the next question. A convenient method for mixing a redox substance is spatulation, B. tumbling, C. sifting, and D. trituration. And the correct answer is spatulation. Spatulation is the convenient method for mixing of redox substances. Moving to the next question. Capsules in which powders are enclosed are made up of gelatin, rice flour, fructose, dextrose. Capsule shells are made up of gelatin. So friends, thank you very much. If you like this content, please like, share, and subscribe this channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.